Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write essay on mosquito. You can also write this under the topic 10 easy lines on mosquito in English. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is, mosquitoes are very small insects that can fly. Second line is, they like to bite people and animals. Third line is, they have long, skinny legs and a thin body. Fourth line is, they suck blood to live. Fifth line is, their bite makes our skin itchy and red. Sixth line is, they make a soft buzzing sound. Seventh line is, they like to live near water where they lay their eggs. Eighth line is, they can spread diseases like malaria, Ninth line is, it is important to stop mosquitoes to keep diseases away. Last line is, nets and insect repellent help prevent mosquito bites.